Here's how you can build a SaaS company in 2024 and why you should do it. The SaaS industry is booming and its revenue is expected to reach $1.36 trillion by 2026. A SaaS company allows its customers to use its products without having them to download or install anything. To get started, you need a great idea. Think about what software you're going to build, what problem you're going to solve, and who your target customers are. Next, research if there is a market for your product and if the existing competition out there is low. If the answer to both is yes, you can start by building a prototype. A prototype is a basic version of your product that you can use to test your idea and gather feedback from potential customers. Once your prototype is ready, you can launch your product to the public. Just make sure that you market it ahead of time and get the word out so you can get as many customers as you can in the launch phase. Lastly, make sure you provide excellent customer service. This will help you build loyal customer base and keep them coming back for more. So, what are you waiting for? Start your SaaS company today.